Implant Scientology. In Scientology, an implant is a form of thought insertion, similar to an engram but done deliberately and with evil intent. It is an intentional installation of fixed ideas, contra-survival to the thetan. The intention in the original engram or incident is to implant an idea or emotion or sensation regarding some phenomenon, etc. The intention in Scientology and Dianetics is to erase the compulsive or command effect of the idea, emotion, sensation, etc., so that the person can make a rational judgment and decision in the affected areas of life. Scientology practices often have to do with addressing implants prior to the current lifetime. One of the most notable is the R6 implant, but in some cases current life implants are addressed. Examples of implants according to Scientology include aversion therapy, electroconvulsive therapy, hypnosis, various attempts at brainwashing, and the inducing of fear or terror. Note that this is not a complete list, as many kinds of incidents can include implants as an element. Other important implants in Scientology doctrine include the Electroconvulsive implants, which Hubbard claimed occurred 382 trillion years ago to 52 trillion years ago by an alien nation called the Electroconvulsives, who sought to restrain human minds by capturing and brainwashing thetans. These implants are said to be responsible for the concept of heaven.